Welcome, friends. Today we continue our A2 journey. Our lesson is called Talking About Past Events Using the Simple Past. At A2 level, we can describe not only what we do now, but also what we did before. We will learn past tense verbs, make longer sentences, and reflect on memory with mindfulness. Take a deep breath, inhale, exhale, and smile gently. Let's begin. Listen carefully. Repeat after me. Went, go, went, ate, eat, drank, drink, drank, saw, see, saw, read, studied, studied. These are common past tense verbs. Let's say them together slowly. Now let's make sentences. I went to the market yesterday. I ate rice in the morning. I drank tea in the afternoon. I saw my friend last night. I read a book last weekend. I studied English yesterday evening. Repeat after me slowly. Notice how we add time words like yesterday, last night, last weekend. Let's imagine daily life. Yesterday morning, I ate rice and drank tea. Yesterday afternoon, I went to the market and bought fruit. Yesterday evening, I studied English and read a book. Repeat with me. I ate rice and drank tea. I went to the market and bought fruit. I studied English and read a book. Close your eyes for 1 minute. Think of something good you did yesterday. Say softly in your mind, I helped my family. I studied with mindfulness. I walked with awareness. This is both English practice and mindfulness practice, remembering past actions with gratitude. At A2 level, we connect past events with and then because examples. I went to the temple and then I prayed. I studied English because I wanted to improve. I ate fruit and drank water after lunch. Repeat after me. I went to the temple and then I prayed. I studied English because I wanted to improve. I ate fruit and drank water after lunch. Today we learned our fifth A2 lesson talking about past events using the simple past. We practiced past tense verbs went, ate, drank, saw, read, studied, sentences with time words yesterday, last night, last weekend, connectors, and then because, reflection, remembering past actions with gratitude. These sentences help us speak more clearly about the past, and they remind us to live mindfully by appreciating what we have done. Thank you for joining me. May your practice bring peace, clarity, and joy.